In this very quick video guide, we're going to see how we can use Room Planner 3D interior design app to create 2D plan views for, let's say, interior design and like architecture, but only for the interior, not for the exterior. So how can you create floor plans, but also 3D models and 3D walkthroughs, so views and visualization. Now, Room Planner, you can search it in Google if you want, but it comes with different plans and different versions, different types of, let's say, applications. So this is the website, and from here we can download the app. We can go to Google Play if we're using an Android phone, or if we want, we can use Mac and download the Mac app, and also for Windows if you want. Now I'm gonna use it in my smartphone here. So I'm gonna go to Google Play. I'm gonna open Google Play and I'm gonna search it directly in here. So I'm gonna install it, and the app version is gonna be partially free, so you can use it partially free. But for what you need to do, I think it's a great tool to use it like right away. I'm gonna use it for any not only Wi-Fi but any type of like 4G or 5G net, and then I'm gonna install it. So just click on install. I'm sorry this is in Italian, but it's really simple, so don't worry, you're gonna understand it no problem. And so it is still downloading. You can also check some similar apps, like for example Planner 5D, Owned by Me, and others. Okay, now it's ready. Let's click on the open button and let's get into the app. So once you install it, you can start and download it. So just gonna go next in these presentation images. They will show you that you can change the color. You can walk through using 360 view. You can walk through around. You can also change the materials, the lights, the furnishing in general, and that's it. So you can buy the pro version or the uh, various version that they offer. Just gonna skip that for now. Just gonna have a look to the free version here, and there you go. So the first thing is gonna ask me if we want to add a new plan view or a room. So you can create an entire room or an entire house. So I'm gonna go for the like plan view, and then you have the various rooms like the bedroom, etc., etc. I'm just gonna create an empty room. You can also scan a room. Now here it's also suggesting me if I want to see some tutorials, so I'm gonna close that. So here I can just click and drag around these corners and modify the plan view. I can make it bigger. I can rearrange here the various walls. Really easy, just click and drag, or tap and drag with a finger. Of course, it's gonna sponsor the pro version, so you can upgrade to the pro version anytime. You can see here I can also reposition the door, and whatever I do in the 2D space is also going to be visible in the 3D space. I'm going to close again this advertisement. Let's go 3D. So you can orbit 3D, you can walk 3D. So let's take a walk inside, and that's the empty space here. There's only a lamp inside, and the door is like on the back. I can also click on this little joystick, let's say virtual joystick on the bottom to move around. Now I can draw the walls. I can draw walls. I can use the walls that I already have. I can resize. I can change the the size of the apartment, and I can also add more things like plants and other furniture, various type of furnishing. So just gonna add here with the black button. I'm gonna add the plant, and then I can move it and I can rotate it, and I can see all the measures around here. So click on plus to add more and more. So you have not only plants, of course, but you also have vases, and then you have like carpets and tables and even kitchen, the entire set of kitchen. So I'm just gonna go for the first one. But again, you can spend more time with this. I'm just going quick, but you can definitely use it and spend more time than this. So you can rotate, you can move around by clicking and dragging or tapping and dragging on those little handles. So this is rotating now, and so you can position it. Every time you put something, just have a quick look in 3D because you never know. Well, sometimes you don't understand just from the 2D. And again, you can continue. You can go back, start with another project, go back to your original project, and close and reopen and continue from where you left off and add other stuff. Let's add here a couch. And again, you select it. You can just put it inside. Just click on add to the room, and that's going to be added. You can change the color. You can also use this button to send it somewhere else, but first I'm going to put it inside. Okay. And also up here you have possibility to change the material, and you can go to the 3D. Here, if you select an object, you can delete it, you can copy it, you can take the measures and change the measures, make it bigger, and you can reset. Anytime you can modify it, and you can reset. And here also you have more information about that piece of furniture. So you have 3D, you have um, editing, and then you have adding stuff. So let's go back to 3D, and you can see the kitchen is not quite, well, it's kind of divided from the rest of the apartment, which could be an idea. There we have a window, and then there's the couch, and we can just continue here to orbit around and move. That's the door right there. And if you like go up orbiting, the ceiling will disappear to show you the 3D plan view. Again, you can go back and you can go in. So if you click on the camera up, you can take a snapshot or a screenshot, which is free. But for like more professional plan views, you need the pro version. And here you can save a copy, save the image, save PDF, share it. You can also send it in 3ds Max if you want to continue like in your computer to do renderings and animation. And also you'll find a video course in 3ds Max in the channel if you're interested. And these are more tools that you can find. You can edit your profile. You can upgrade to the premium version anytime. And that's it. So these are all the tools or the buttons you see here. So here we also have like home page and then update and also explore. In the Explorer, you can see other projects made with this tool and perhaps with a window application, which is not for free, I believe, but is maybe more handy than working with a smartphone. But I think that for quick projects, let's say you are, on a plane or a bus, you want to do some quick project, you can definitely do it with this app. And this will be also, if you like the video, subscribe if you want to see more, join the channel if you want to support us, check our other video courses, video guides on interior design, architecture, rendering, modeling. So thanks for watching. See you in the next guide.